Good morning all. Welcome back to my channel. I am Manoranjan Sahoo, NPTEL Cloud Computing Top 5%, CB Raman Global University. Today we are going to solve the NPTEL 2024 June and September batch. It is week 0, assignment 0 solutions. So we will start now. Here is the week 0 and assignment 0 questions, and we will get near about 10 questions are there. We have to solve the 10 questions one by one. Okay, let's start. First question is, which software does prevent external access to a systems? Okay, 4 options are given. First is firewall, gateway, router, and virus checker. Here the answer is the firewall. Option number A. Why the answer is firewall? We can get the answer here. See, because a firewall is a network securing software that prevents unauthorized users and dangerous elements from accessing the network. Software firewall acts as a filter for our network, which prevents harmful information. So option 1, that is option firewall, correct answer is option A. Moving to the question number 2, which classes are used for connection-less socket programming? Connection-less socket programming. 4 options are given. That is datagram socket, datagram packet, both datagram socket and datagram packet, and fourth one is server packet. So answer will be the both, that is datagram socket and datagram packet. We will check the answer here. See, the correct answer is option C, both datagram socket and datagram packet. Here the explanation is given also. Datagram is basically some information traveling between the sender and the receiver, but there is no guarantee of its content, arrival or arrival time. Datagram socket and datagram packets are used for connection-less socket programming, while server socket is used for connection-oriented socket programming. So here both datagram socket and datagram packet will be the right answer. Okay, moving to the question number 3. Which of the following is the most appropriate about the threads? Threads of a process here. 4 options are given. Only global variables, only heap, neither global variables nor heap, both heap and global variables. So answer will be both heap and global variables. We'll check the answer here. Yeah, both heap and global variables. Its reason is thread shares all the resources of the process except local data like registers. Okay, moving to the question number 4. Moving to the question number 4. What is the maximum number of hosts under the class B address? Under the class B address. Here 4 options are given. Out of 4, we will choose 65,534 is the right answer. How it will be calculated? We can see in class B IP address, first 2 octets are used to present the network numbers, which leaves 2 octets or 16 bits to represent the host portions of the address. Okay, with 16 bits total, that is 2 to the power 16, combination are possible, yielding 65,536 class B address. But although two of those numbers, the lowest and the highest values are reserved for the special purposes. So 65,534. It will not be 65,536. It will be 65,034 because 2 of these numbers, or lowest and highest values, are reserved for the special purpose. Therefore, class B address can be support up to 65,534, which is option B. Okay, so 4 option B is the right answer. Another numerical question is there. Moving to the question number 5. Consider a system with 2 labels caches. Access time of level 1 caches, level 2 caches, and main memory are 1 number, 10 numbers, and 4,000 numbers respectively. The heat rates of the level 1 and level 2 caches 0.8 and 0.9 respectively. What is the average access time of the system ignoring the short time within the caches? 4 options are given. Okay, we have to calculate these 4 options, out of which we find the solution here 10.6. How it will be 10.6? We have to see the answer 5, 10.6. Here we know the average access time formula is here. Okay. So here H1 is heat rate level 1 which is 0.8, which is 0.8 mention 0.8. T1 access time for level 1 catch is number ones. Then H2 heat rate level 2 catch is 0.9, which is already given in the questions. T2 access time for level 2 is 10 numbers. Okay, 10 nanoseconds. And HM, which is heat rate of main memory, which is 1. And access time for main memory is 200 nanoseconds. So with putting this formula, we'll get the answer, that is 10.6 nanoseconds. Option C. 5, option C. Okay. Moving to the question number 6. Using a larger block size in a fixed block size file system leads to this is a better disk throughput but poorer disk space utilizations. We'll give the answer. We'll find the answer here. Okay, because using a larger block size in a fixed block size system leads to a poor disk space utilization due to data items which are very small comparable to block size cause fragmentations. But it leads to better disk throughput since number of blocks needs to fetch and replace becomes less. So option A, a better disk throughput but poorer disk space utilization is the right answer. Moving to the question number 7. She is asking about transport layer is mentioned in the firmware of computer system. It is true or false? It is false. Why it is false? See, it is false because transport layer is implemented in the kernel. It is implemented in the kernel, not in the firm of computer systems. Okay, remember these things. Moving to the question number 8, it is a numerical based questions. A computer's processor sends 32-bit addresses to the cache controller. It has 512 kilobyte 8-way set associative. So write back data cache with the block size of 32 bytes. In addition to the address tag, each cache tag directory entry contains 3 valid bits and 1 modified bits. 3 valid bits and 1 modified bits. Find the size of the cache tag directory. Okay. So by calculating, we'll see 322 kilobits. See how it will be calculated. We know number of blocks formula is cache size by block size. That is, cache size is 512 kilobyte and block size is 32 bytes, which is already given in the questions. Okay. So by dividing this, we will find it is 2 to the power 14. But number of sets equal to 2 to the power 14 by 8. That is 8 means 2 to the power 3. So 2 to the power 14 minus 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 11. Okay. Then number of sets here, tag plus set of set plus byte of set equal to how much? 32. So tag, then set of set and byte of set is 11 plus 5 equal to 32. Then what is the tag? 32. Okay, minus 16 equal to 16. Okay. Then what we find? 16-bit address, 3-bit valid, 1 modified, then 16 plus 3 plus 1 equal to 20. Got it? Then 20 in number of blocks. Number of blocks, how much? How much? 16. So 16 into 20, that is equal to 320 kilobytes. Okay. So answer is, correct option is B, 320 kilobytes. I hope you understood. Moving to the question number 9. Flow control is mainly implemented in dash physical layer, application layer, transport layer, and session layer. We know flow control is mainly implemented in transport layer. See, the explanation of this question is flow control is mainly for function of the transport layer. So option C is the right answer. Moving to the last question, which is question number 10. What does the swap space reside? So 4 options are given: RAM, random access memory; disk, ROM, read-only memory; on-chip cache. So option B, it will be disk. It will be disk. See the explanation of this question: because swap space is an area of a disk that temporarily holds a process memory image. So it will be the answer of disk. Okay. So we completed all the questions and we are going to submit. Check the answer. Check the answer of this question. Okay. We submitted successfully. See, answer assignment answer is submitted successfully. We have to check our score. Your score is 10 out of 10. Okay. So guys, every week, after every week we'll find assignment of week 1, week 2, week 3. We'll get the lectures videos. We'll get the assignments, and there will be a last date of the assignments. So according to that, we have to try to solve the questions of the given assignments. So if you like this video, I hope you will subscribe and like my channel and share to your friends, those who are doing the NPTEL course. And I will also provide the tips and tricks in future how you will crack and you will score good marks in the NPTEL exam, cloud computing, or any other exams. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.